Oh,
No, she threw him right off.
See, that would be Lexi too.
No,
Just
no.
pull them off.
Well, I didn't put them on that tight. I can tighten this up.
Probably if you get them at the pet store, they're a little better.
Yeah. That too. We have dollar store ones. There you go. Here. This one.
You almost need them where they have a string in them that you can tie up
There you go.
so they can't just pull the Velcro strip.
Hey,
Pull the
sir,
Velcro strip right off.
go on, try to walk.
Look.
Ziggy! There you go.
Okay, she's not liking that.
She's giving up.